English via art, sound series number 1. Whisper, whisperer, to whistle, whistler, to call, call. How to practice listening and speaking. Watch the video, listen and read silently. To understand the content, pause the video as often as necessary. Watch the video again, listen and read aloud. Then mute the video, watch and read aloud. Repeat until you pronounce easily, sound natural, and speak confidently. Whisper, whispers of the desert. The whisper, whispers of the desert. Still, the restless whispers never leave me. Whispered, whispered words. Whisperer, whisperer and serpent. Whisperer and serpent. Whispering, whispering wall. Whispering noon. Whispering eve. To whistle. Whistling, whistling for plover. Pan, whistling at a blackbird. Whistler, whistler. Call, the call, the call to prayer. Phone call for you. Call of Laodicea. Call of peaks. The call, curtain call to. The telephone call. The call to arms. To call, call. Calling, calling the way. Calling, calling, calling. Calling of St. Matthew. Invocation. Called. Semiramis called to fight.